Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play with friends in No Man's Sky. Open the social menu, pick your session privacy, and invite friends directly by username. If a friend struggles to join, ask them to check their NAT and restart the game. Use friend play or join via a discovered beacon to meet up quickly. Coordinate a planet, ship, or base location before teleporting to avoid confusion and save time. To join friends smoothly, accept invites and check your discoverability settings so they can find you. If an invite fails, relaunch the session or join via the Space Anomalies friend list. Coordinate a meeting point like a trading post or base with a beacon for simple teleporting. Also share platform-specific names if crossplay issues arise. Communicate via voice or chat to line up roles and avoid teleport mix-ups during missions. If you hit connection problems, try a quick restart of the game and your console or PC to clear transient issues. Check NAT and firewall settings if friends cannot see your session, and sync game versions to prevent compatibility errors. Using a wired connection or enabling UPnP often improves stability. When problems persist, use the space anomaly to meet instead of direct invites to bypass stubborn networking glitches and save time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.